Right. Yeah. Hi guys. Good morning, all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone, guys? Can you
Yes,
please confirm? Right.
yes, I can hear you, sir.
Right. Okay. So, guys. So yesterday, just we started with some like a very basic level. We started with them. I think all of you have attended yesterday's class. Anyone joined for the today's class, guys? Is today is your first session? I think Santosh. I think you are
Yes, sir.
today is the first class. I think so.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay, fine. Okay, I think remaining guys, I think you have been joined. Jayant, I think you already joined earlier. Okay. Rajeshwar, I think I remembered. Vishal Swapna, I think you already joined. Okay, fine. Santosh, nothing has been happened. Just we started. This three sessions has been we have taken. The two it is only just an introduction classes only. So like what is data visualization? What are the need of data visualization skills? So just a little bit ideas only. So we didn't started with any main implementation also.
Okay.
And even yesterday, just I just discussed about the course content, the course details, and all these things as I discussed, guys. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Fine, right. No need to worry, and you can get the recording videos also. There is only demo sessions only. The main classes are not yet started. Today is the fourth session.
Yeah.
Thursday, Friday, and yesterday Monday. Today is the
Yes.
third class actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's continue with the last session, guys. Anyone, any questions regarding the course curriculum? I have shared you the course content yesterday. So I told you, no, guys, it is basically four stages, guys. It's simple. Learning the Power BI is only just a four different modules are there, guys. Simple. The first module is going to be nothing but what I said is, guys, just import the data. Whatever the data was there, just import the data, guys. And just what we have to do, guys, we have to transform the data, guys. So as I said that whenever we taken the data from the real world, data may not be in a clean format. So first of all, we have to clean up the data, guys. So transformation is going to be nothing but we are doing some kind of a cleaning of the data, guys. And after that, what we have to do, guys, we have to create something called as then data modeling. So that is what we call it as the creation of semantic model we have to create it, guys. The semantic model we are going to create it. What is that? I'll tell you later, guys. What is the semantic model? I'll explain that late in the later classes. I'll explain them, guys. And after that, the third point which I discussed is going to be nothing but what is the third point we discussed in, guys? Creating of visuals. After creating the data model, we have to create the visuals, guys. And after that, simply what we have to do is we have to publish the reports. We have to publish the visuals. Publish, or what we are going to call it as deploy the visuals, guys. So this is the four different modules what we discussed. The first three modules are important, guys. The fourth one is not an complicated one. That is very simple topic only. Mainly the design part involves these one only, guys. Importing the data and transforming the data, guys. Do the data modeling and create the visuals. So in practical, this is the order, guys. But in our training program, without understanding what is the requirements of visuals, we cannot go for the data modeling. So in once you go to the real time, you have the requirement. You know the what is your requirement of your visuals. Then according to that, we do the modeling. But here we don't know that, right? During the training program, what is visuals, we don't know. That's why first we'll create the visuals, and after that we'll discuss about data modeling. So we'll just interchange these two steps, guys. So in our training program, import the data and transformations, then create the visuals, and then do the data modeling. And again, we'll come back during the data modeling. Again, we'll do the visuals, guys. During the data modeling also, we'll do the visualization. And finally, it is going to be publishing and deploying of the visuals, what we have to do, guys. So this is what basically we have to learn, and this is going to be the whatever the roadmap to completely to understand this particular Power BI implementation, guys. So these are the things what I discussed in the last session, whatever I have discussed in, guys. So today I'm going to discuss about, okay, we are going to learn Power BI, guys. Okay, we are going to be learning Power BI. But in Power BI, we have a different tools are there, guys. So which tool has to be used for what purpose? So we'll first of all, we'll have a look into them, guys. So your Power BI is available, the Power BI software is available in a different modes, guys. Okay, so we have to study. So how to access your Power BI and which Power BI tool is used for what purpose? We'll have a discussion about this, guys. The first one is nothing but it is what we call it as a Power BI desktop, guys. Simple, I'm writing it as a PBI. It is nothing but Power BI. Instead of writing every time Power BI, I'm writing it as an PBI. Power BI which is going to be Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop. This is the main tool, guys. This is the main tool, guys. So Power BI desktop is basically a desktop application. You know what is a desktop application, guys? It is going to be basically this Power BI desktop is mainly, it is mainly for compatible for, which is going to be for mobiles, sorry, not for mobiles, for desktops and laptops machines, guys. For desktop or laptop, which is going to be, you have to install the Power BI desktop, guys. It's a desktop application. You all of you know, guys, what is meaning of web application, what is mobile application, what is going to be the desktop applications. So what is a mobile application, guys, which will access in our mobile? What is a web application, guys? Open the web browser, from there only we have to access it, isn't it? All our websites, there are web application, guys. Even some applications are going to be some kind of an, for example, if you want to work with your banking application, so your banking applications will be running in two different modes. One is going to be web. Web means you have to open the web page www.hdfc.com or hdfcbank.com, icicibank.com. That is a web application, guys. What is meaning of a desktop application, guys? Desktop application means nothing but where it is installed on our machine and we have to launch that application, guys. So see there, if you can see this, this is an, so it is nothing but, we all of you know that Adobe Acrobat to open to view the PDF file. So this is a desktop application, guys. Double click on this to launch this application. This is going to be what I call it as a desktop application, what we can call it as. So Power BI desktop is nothing but it's a desktop application which is compatible for the laptops and the desktops what we are going to use, guys. So when we install this Power BI on my desktop, there is going to be one Power BI shortcut will be created, guys. That is nothing but the application shortcut, whatever you click. So just double click on that. Whenever we double click on that, what happens, guys? Immediately the application will open, the application will launches. Just we have to double click on that. That is what we call it as a desktop applications, guys, isn't it? So mainly Power BI desktop is basically for desktops and laptops. We are going to use this particular Power BI desktop, guys. Mainly, this is going to be the main designer tool, guys. This is our main designer tool. That means where you are going to design and create the visuals. Design and which is going to be create the visuals or the reports, whatever we call it as. The mainly the designer tool is going to be Power BI desktop, guys. So whenever you want to create any visuals or anything, then we have to use this Power BI desktop. So first of all, whenever you want to create a report or whenever you want to design a report or visual, first of all, install the Power BI desktop on your machine, guys. The tool name is Power BI only, but Power BI desktop, what we are going to call it as. The main designer tool, guys. The complete designing of Power BI is going to be completely done from the Power BI desktop. This is a free software, guys. You don't require any money or nothing to pay. It is going to be free software. Anybody can install, anybody can download and the download and install the particular software. Use it also at a free of cost, guys. Okay, the second one, guys. The second one is nothing but it is Power BI mobile, guys. You know what is a mobile, guys? And from where you have to download this Power BI desktop, guys? The Power BI desktop has to be downloaded from where you have to download. So download from, which is going to be from Microsoft website, guys. You have to download from the Microsoft website only, guys. So what we have to do, guys, go to www.microsoft.com. I'll show you the link for that. So go there and just download that particular Power BI desktop directly from the Microsoft website. And we know that Power BI is developed by Microsoft. We have to download it from the Microsoft website only. We have to download it, guys. The second one is it's a Power BI mobile, guys. So it is a mobile application. So you know that mobile applications, we cannot install it on the desktops and laptops. So basically for tabs and mobiles, it is going to be gets used, guys. For tabs and mobiles compatible, we are going to use it for which is going to be Power BI mobile. But from where you have to install it, guys? We have to download and we have to install, not from Microsoft website. So download and which is going to be installed from, as you know that, which is going to be from your app store. Whether it is going to be Apple Store or whether it is going to be the Google Play Store, whatever it may be, you have to download it from the corresponding app store. We have to download it, guys. But what is this Power BI mobile, guys? Power BI Mobile is not a designer tool. That means you can't design the reports, we can't edit the reports, nothing you can do, guys. Then what is a Power BI Mobile? It is only for viewing the reports, guys. So it is going to be what we can do, guys. We can just view the whatever the reports that has been published, guys. So who is going to publish the reports, guys? The reports which was created by the from the with the help of Power BI desktop. There they will design the reports, guys, and they will publish the reports. Okay, publishing means they will deploy the reports. Whatever the reports that has been deployed there, only those reports only he can see we can view it in the Power BI mobile, guys. And a little bit admin activities we can do, refreshing of reports, those kind of things we can do it from the Power BI mobile, guys. So generally, who is going to use this Power BI mobile, guys? Your end user. Whoever the end user is there, who is going to be? For example, your business managers are there, or your client is there. So let us say that the client or the business manager has asked a report. So whenever we ask it the report, so as a developer, as a report developer, you design the report. And after that, what you did is you deployed the report, guys. Where it will deploy, I'll tell you. Once you deploy the report, what will happen is, guys, the reports are going to be deployed into the Power BI service. From there, you can access this Power BI. They can access the reports with the help of the Power BI mobile, guys. So if you want, just you can check it out, guys. Now, just open your mobiles. Just open your mobiles, guys. Go to your app store, whether it's a Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, and search for the Power BI, guys. Immediately, you can find out a product called as the Power BI app from Microsoft. You have to download it from the Microsoft only, guys. See there, it is going to be Microsoft will be there. Just you can download and you can do the installation, guys. Directly, when you say download install means it will download and install it in the mobile. In desktop download, we have to download it and then we have to install it separately, guys. Okay, so if you want, you can check it out quickly, guys. It won't take less than 1 minute of time it will take it. So just open your mobiles if you want, and then if you can just install the Power BI desktop application and try to open the Power BI desktop application, guys. Can you confirm? Can you do the installation and let me know if you open Power BI desktop or the Power BI mobile, what is happening? Anyone try to do it, guys? It won't take that much time also. Just at less than 2 minutes, less than 1 minute, it will take it, guys. Anyone is doing?
Yes, sir. It's
Yes.
done on desktop.
No, no, not desktop. I'm asking about a Power BI mobile.
Yes, doing, sir.
Okay, okay. So yes, install it, guys. We have to use the Power BI mobile also. We'll use it, guys, in the later classes. Right now, we don't use it. Just if anyone, can you install the Power BI mobile and try to open the Power BI mobile and let me know what it is asking also. Once you open it, what is happening, just let me know about that. Just it won't take that much time, guys. Just
It is asking me email ID, sir.
email ID. Absolutely. So in Power BI mobile, right? You're talking about Power BI mobile only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, absolutely. That means we require one Power BI account is going to be required, guys. For Power BI desktop, it is not required. For particular Power BI services, if you want to use them, then we have to require that particular email ID. So later we'll see. We have, because you have not yet created any accounts, right? So later I'll tell you how to create the Power BI service account. And then I'll tell you how to access that particular Power BI mobile, guys. But keep it aside. Right now, we are not going to use, guys. But what is the Power BI mobile, guys? It is only like a report viewer. Only you can view the reports, guys. The reports which that has been deployed into the Power BI service by the developers, only we can see like an end user. Your end user is kind directly, he don't require any Power BI in their systems, guys. Directly, he can install the Power BI mobile directly in the system. The account, the whatever the credentials are there, provide the required credentials. Directly, what they can do, guys, they can account the login to the account and they can view all the reports and dashboards and all these things, whatever they want to view in, guys. Right now, there is no accounts for you, so leave it for the time being, guys. Then the third one, guys. So this one you have to install it in your tab or a mobile. This one you have to install it on your desktop, guys. We'll work with all of the three, guys. There is a third one is there. Power BI desktop will work. Power BI mobile, this is like an end user application. Just only we have to just access it. Just like you will install it, guys. Your banking applications, you will install it. The banking application, what I can do, guys, I was end user there. I'm going to use the application. Somebody designed the application, somebody has done that. I'm only just using that particular application. That is what I call it as the end user. There is something called as the Power BI service is available, guys. So what is this Power BI service, guys? It is not a desktop application. It is not a mobile application. It is a web application, guys. You know what is going to be nothing but what is a web application, guys? Web application means you have to open not by double clicking on that or not by clicking on the app in your mobile, guys. It's a web based, which is going to be what we can call it as a web based service is available, guys. So if you want to access it, this has to be accessible by open your browser and say app dot, which is going to be powerbi.com, guys. You have to open by using this URL, guys. It is going to be app.powerbi.com. Where to open this, guys? You have to open in a web browser. We have to open in, guys. Open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Say app dot, which is going to be powerbi.com, guys. Can anybody check this also, guys? app.powerbi.com. Can you open this and let me know, guys, what is happening there? Can you confirm it, guys? Anyone? Just in your mobile, not in mobile, if you're working on desktops, guys, just open your browser and just say app.powerbi.com. That's it. No need to do anything. Can anybody confirm what it is asking again? Anyone checking, guys?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's it's open, sign up, Power BI app, Power BI, sign in reports, Power BI app, Power.
No,
It's showing, sir.
no, it won't ask you like this. Just a minute once.
Email again.
Email ID it will ask you.
So
Yeah,
it
yeah.
is asking for
It will just ask you the email ID like this, guys. Just
enter
it will
your
ask you
email.
what is going to be the account, or maybe because my account is already logged in here now, so it is asking my account here.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, it will ask you just the username. What is the account only? It is going to ask you, guys. That means if you want to access the Power BI mobile or if you want to access the Power BI service, both of them require one service account is going to be required, guys. Without having the account, we can't log in them. For Power BI desktop, it is not required, guys. Okay. So what is this Power BI service, guys? Just later I'll make you understand the concept, guys. Observe carefully. Simple. What is this Power BI service is nothing but, see this. In my enterprise, there are multiple developers will be there, guys, right? So let us say that report developers I'm talking about. Let us say that this developer one is working on HR reports data, guys. Developer one is going to be working on the, for example, sales. And another developer is going to be working on, which is going to be some kind of some operations data, operations related data they are working, guys. They're working on which is going to be operations data. So different people has created different reports, guys. Then how do you collaborate all the reports? How your manager or how the end users are going to be accessible, guys? Your end user will be there. So your end user, how is going to access there? So I require one common platform where I can access all these reports, guys. That common platform is going to be nothing but we are going to call it as your Power BI service, guys. So simple, guys, nothing is there. A Power BI service is a common platform where all the whatever the reports that has been designed can be deployed, and from there where the end user can access it. Now developer one or developer two, let us say that developer one, developer two, developer three, they don't need to give the reports directly to the end user, guys. Everyone, what they will do, guys, they will publish all these reports to the Power BI service, guys. So once the reports has been deployed into the Power BI service, from the Power BI service, the end user is going to access the reports, guys. So there is no direct relation. There is no need of direct communication between developer and the end user. So end user asks the reports. So directly he is going to just going for which is going to be just will deploy the reports into the Power BI service, and directly from there the end user can directly access the reports, guys. This Power BI service is a platform or a common platform which is basically allows you to deploy and deliver the reports. From here only all the deployment, delivering, so all these things can be done. So see, a company manufactures. Obviously we know that, right? A company was there. It is manufacturing. It is manufacturing, guys. So directly that manufacturing is directly, the company directly does not sells the product directly to the customer, no, guys. Directly it is does not directly going to the customer, guys. isn't it? So something which is going to be happening there. So in between them, there is going to be one platform will be there, guys. Using that particular platform, what is going to be happens here is, okay. So what we are going to be gets talking about here is, guys, this is going to be, so whenever it is talking about this particular manufacturer directly, the customer directly, the product does not reaches the customer, guys, isn't it? So there is going to be some kind of a platform will be there. Some distributors will be there, resellers will be there. So like that, the product is going to reaches the customer. Same here also, guys. The Power BI service is going to be a common platform, guys. It is a common platform where we can manage all these reports and all these things we can do, guys. So that is a main advantage of using that made it the people to the people to which is going to be adopt to this Power BI service, guys. Why? Because the platform has been become a simple platform, guys. It is going to provide a very simple platform, guys. A simple platform where all my reports and all these things will be deployed, and end users will directly access the reports directly from the Power BI service. Like it is like a management tool, guys. It is not completely like a management tool. It is going to be there. So these developers are going to use as the desktop, guys. See there, the developers are uses the Power BI desktop, right? They will design the reports. End user is going to be installs the Power BI mobile. Directly he requires a Power BI mobile, guys. And the Power BI desktop is going to be directly deploys the reports to the Power BI service. This is nothing but the web service, guys. Power BI service, what we are going to call it as web based. See there, to work on this entire project, guys, I require complete environment, guys. Completely, when you see that environment of Power BI, so I require a desktop application for designing. End user will install the Power BI mobile in his mobile, guys, or he can also access directly from Power BI service also, web based only, right? Anybody can access it, guys. But instead of accessing that directly, he can open the reports directly in his mobile only. And apart from that, all the management and everything is going to be done by using this particular web based with the help of the Power BI service, what we are going to get it, guys. So this is the what we can call it as the web based service. Mainly, this is also designs. Here also we can design the reports, guys. Here also we can create. This is not a main designer tool, guys. This is not a main designer tool, is Power BI desktop. Here also we can design the reports, but generally we don't recommend them, guys. So design the reports. We can design the reports by using the Power BI service, guys. But generally it is going to be not which is going to be recommended, guys. It is not recommended, guys. Why it is not recommended? Why? Because that is completely like a management tool. They don't want to design anything. So what we can do? So whatever the managing of, which is going to be completely, it is going to be managing and which is going to be delivering of the reports, guys. It is going to be managing and delivering of the reports is going to be done by using this particular Power BI service, guys. That is what basically we perform by using the Power BI service. Mainly here only we can create the dashboards. Okay, mainly here only we can create the dashboards. Okay, we are going to create the apps and all these things, scheduling of that particular reports, guys. So delivering of the reports, we are going to schedule them, guys. So directly this report has to be delivered at morning 6 a.m. to the end user. Who is going to do that, guys? It is going to be done. So many things, guys, and which is going to be like refreshing of the reports. All the complete management will be done by using this Power BI service, guys. Etc. All these things we can do it with the help of the Power BI service. So designing is going to be done by Power BI desktop, guys. Managing them is done by Power BI service, and accessibility is done from the Power BI mobile, guys. So like this, we have to work with all the different types of tools. We have to work with them, guys. Okay. So mainly we have to do this, guys. So Power BI mobile, I told you, guys, please download it in your mobile, guys. Nothing to do with the as of now. Power BI service, I told you, guys. This Power BI service, which is a web-based service, no installation is required. Directly it is a cloud based, guys. So directly you can go for, this is going to be the Power BI. So simple, you can say app dot which is going to be powerbi.com. Right now you guys don't have the account, so I am having an account. So what I will do is I will connect to my account, guys. I will connect to my account, guys. Okay, later you can also create your own accounts, guys. Don't worry about that. Later we'll see how to create that particular accounts, guys. Okay, and even I have to do some authentication also. So just give me a second. Right. So it is going to be, I have been authenticated here. So it was able to be connected, guys, like this. So this is a way how I can connect them, guys. And these are the reports and all these things, whatever we can see. We'll see them later. So right now it is going to be, maybe it is empty, guys. I think we have the data with us. So no worries. Later we'll see the applications later. Do we have any? Right now I don't have, guys. Later we'll see how to work with this particular applications. Later we'll see the particular data. Later we'll work on that, guys. Okay. So this is nothing but what is the Power BI service, guys. This is your Power BI service, guys. Okay. It's a completely, we'll open it in the web page. And mobile I can't show you here, guys. It has to see in your own mobiles only. We have to see them. And mainly the Power BI desktop, guys. See there, this is going to be my Power BI desktop, guys. This is my Power BI desktop, guys, which was there on my desktop application. So just double click on that and to launch that the Power BI desktop, guys. Just what we have to do, guys, just double click on that to launch this particular Power BI desktop application, guys. Done, guys. Okay. So don't worry, I'll tell you. First of all, you have to install it now, guys. We didn't done the installation. So let me do the installation, guys. And one small point, this Power BI desktop, that means this Microsoft, will almost all updates this Power BI desktop for almost all for every 1 month, guys. Every 1 month there is an update will be available, guys. There's a little bit small updation, not complete updation will not take place. A small updations are going to take place, guys. So that's why always check for the latest update, guys. That means almost all we have to update for every 1 month. We have to update your Power BI desktop, guys. Every 1 month you have to update it, guys. Okay. Every month. For example, this month, September is already over now. So September update will be there, guys. Maybe as of my knowledge, it is going to be September update is already released. Almost all somewhere around 15 to 20th of every, the 15 to 20th of every month, guys. So 15 to 20th of the month, the update will be released as this one, guys. Almost all you have to update them. You have to update them, guys. So please update that software for every 1 month. We have to update it, guys. Okay. Let me show you the application, guys. Very simple, guys. No need to do anything, guys. Simple. It is going to be nothing but what we can see. Just go to, which is going to be Power BI dot. It's going to be powerbi.microsoft.com, guys. That's it. This is official website, guys. It is powerbi.microsoft.com, or else simple, nothing to do, guys. Go to the Google and type, which is going to be download, which is going to be Power BI, guys. Just the link will be there, guys. Directly it will navigate to the link where the download is available. Download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official website. This is a link, guys. Direct link, guys. Directly it is a link, guys. See there, it is direct link is there. And you can see that it is going to be the 9th of 25th. 25th, there has been update was there, guys. There was an update is there. Almost all, which is going to be somewhere around 500 MB of data. Once you have a look at this, guys, with Power BI desktop, what you can do, get your data. The Power BI desktop makes discovering the data easy. You can import the data from wide variety of data sources. After you connect to the data source, you can shape the data to match your analysis and reporting needs. That is nothing but transforming. Then I said that create the relationships and enrich your data model with new measures and data format. I told you, no, guys, here only we are going to create the semantic model. We have to create it, guys. Okay. You can also easily create your own measures, calculations, or customize the data formats, and categorize to enrich your data for the additional insights are there. Then we have to create the reports, guys. Then we have to create the reports. Save your reports, upload or publish the report. You can upload the reports that you created and saved in the desktop to the Power BI site. You can also publish them to the Power BI right directly from your Power BI desktop. Directly from the Power BI desktop, you can publish. So there is an interaction is there, guys. So Power BI service, Power BI desktop, and Power BI mobile, all of them are going to be, there are interactive, guys. So generally, what is the cycle here, guys? The Power BI desktop is going to send the reports to the Power BI service, guys. The Power BI service is going to send the reports to the end user with the help of the Power BI mobile. They can access it. So Power BI mobile can directly access, they can extract the report from the Power BI service. Power BI service can extract the reports directly from the Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop and Power BI mobile, they don't directly interact. They don't directly interact, guys. Power BI desktop will deploy the reports into the Power BI service. And from the Power BI service, the Power BI mobile is going to be accessing the report. So generally, how the designing, management, and accessing will be there, guys. So how the designer is going to design the report and how it is going to be published and how the end user is going to access them, guys. So that is the way how this process is going to take place, guys. So there are multiple ways are there. As I said that it is going to be Microsoft powerbi.microsoft.com. So when I say powerbi.microsoft.com, it will open this link, guys. Here we are having the products are there. See there, Power BI products are there. Power BI, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, Power BI Embedded, Power BI Report Server. Go to Power BI, guys. Open the Power BI, guys. So simple. Here we are having the products, and we can just go for our Power BI Desktop. You can click here, guys. So it is going to open this link, guys. Just click here, download now. So once if you click on the download now, just a minute once. Sorry. Here you can see advanced download options are there, guys. See there, guys, directly it will navigate to the same page which I have shown you previously, guys. Same page, guys. Same page it has been got navigated here now. And just nothing is there, guys. Just click on the download. So which one you have to download, guys? We are using 64-bit operating systems, guys. So Power BI Desktop Setup x64. You have to download this one, guys, not the first one. First one is a 32-bit. Second one is a 64-bit, guys. Click on the download, guys. Almost all 525 MB data was there. Very easy installation, guys. Let me do the installation here now. Let me check it out. What is the current version I am having and what is the latest version that has been got released? Maximum I also will have the same release, guys, but it is going to be the latest update is done on 25th. So 25th means hardly 4-5 days back. So maybe my system, my updation is done maybe 15, 20, 24, 20 days back, maybe hardly. It is September update only. It's not the August update. Already September update is already there. Maybe, guys, it is not a latest version what I'm having that. Okay. So anyhow, download was over, guys. Download was over. Before going to that, let me open my Power BI desktop. Already my Power BI desktop was already installed. Let me open it, guys. Here I have something called as an blank report. Nothing to do, guys. Just like how you open your MS Word, how you open your Excel sheet, how you open your PowerPoint presentation. Same as it is, guys. Open blank report. This is your Power BI desktop environment, guys. This is your Power BI desktop environment, guys. Let me show you what is my current version I'm having, guys. Go to the help menu there. There is an about is there. See there? Okay. So I think my update is going to be August update, guys. It is going to be August update. So I have to update it now. 2.132.1053. My version is 2. Which is going to be 12. Sorry, just a minute. 2. Which is going to be 132.1053, guys. The latest version is 2.136.1202, guys. Anyhow, it is just only not a years back, guys. It is just only 1 month back. It is August update. It is showing me. So what to do, guys? Nothing is there. Let me close it. I already downloaded now, guys. I already downloaded. So where is my download was there, guys? It is there on my desktop. It is there in my downloads folder. Go to the downloads folder. There you can find the Power BI desktop, guys. Just double click on that. Double click on that, guys. Just you can do the installation. Anybody can do the installation, guys. Nothing expertise is required. There is nothing, any updation or any changes to the system or configuration. Nothing is going to be required, guys. Directly, you can just run the setup, guys. See there, welcome to which is Microsoft Power BI Desktop x64. No need to uninstall the previous software. If anyone is already having the Power BI software, even 2-3 months back also, guys, you have to update them. Why? Because every 1 month it will update, guys. August update, March update, May update, July update, like that. Every 1 month they will release as a new update, guys. Okay. So let me show you. So in my system, it is an old installation now, guys. So it will take some time. New installation is faster, guys. New installation will be very faster, guys. Old installation means it will take some time because it has to remove the old files, copy the new files, okay, and all these things it has to take it. So it will take, it won't take hours of time, guys. A few minutes it will take us, hardly 2 to 5 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes it will take in, guys. Not more than that. Okay. But first installation will be very fast, guys, because first installation does not require anything to verify the old files, removing of old files. All these are not required. Directly, straightforward, we can do, guys. Okay, see there, it is starting the installation, validating. It is validating the install, guys. It will check. So already Power BI desktop is already installed. What version you are having? So if the Power BI desktop is already open, we have to close it. If it is already open, guys, we cannot install it, guys. That's why I already closed it. The previous Power BI desktop application, I closed it, guys. So updating the component registrations, it's over, guys. It is completing it. See, guys, it is removing the files. Why it is removing the files? It has to remove the old files, guys. Because already installation is already done, no, guys. So it is removing the old files, then copying the new files and install the new files, guys. Something like this, it has to happen like this, guys.
Sir, I have
Yes.
one question.
Yes, yes, yep.
As you said, every month
Mm,
Microsoft Power BI update
mm,
itself.
mm.
So how would I know that what is the difference between the previous one and the latest
Yes,
one? What is the
absolutely.
new updates here?
Yes, yes, absolutely. So we have the you have a site which is going to be latest update site. Microsoft maintains it, and apart from that, there is an official channel from YouTube channel from Microsoft. Okay, so you have to just if you go to subscribe to that, so go to YouTube, and there is going to be just directly you can go for which is going to be what shall I say that it is going to be Power BI update will be there. It's a Microsoft official website is there. So this is going to be the official website of that. So what you can do is this is going to be the one what we can see. Just subscribe to that. So can you see this is going to be the official website. So already I have subscribed it. So I will get updates. Whenever a new release has been done, immediately I'll get the update directly. You know that we'll get the updations and whatever the changes, it won't make that much changes. See, don't think that a lot of changes are going to be gets done. So there is going to be slightly, there is going to be changes will takes place. So what are the changes that have been done? All these things they'll explain it. Hardly 3 to 4 changes that will takes place, guys. Apart from that, nothing is going to be taken place. Okay. So if you can see like what it is going to be doing here now. So you can see this is going to be the one what we can see. Okay. So the way which is going to be, so they integrated the teams, they integrated the Power BI with the help of the teams. They integrated many of the tools. It is going to be integrates with the teams. So see there directly, for example, some team meeting is going on. So they want to open the Power BI. So they need not to open it directly. We can open it directly with the help of the teams itself. They can connect it and they can directly access it. That is a later. That is later. We don't require all of the applications. So these are going to be some of the changes that has been got done. So every month there is an update will be there. So subscribe to this channel. You will get the updates regularly, right? Okay. So meanwhile, removing the backup files, it is going on. So this is the one, guys. So please subscribe to the channel. So I was about to discuss about that only. So being you have been asked about that. So this is going to be some kind of an page rented reports and all these things. This is going to be working here, guys. So this is the official website for that. So official channel for that. So get the subscriptions automatically. You will get that particular updates regularly, guys. Right?
Got it, sir.
Right.
Sir,
Mm,
I have one curiosity
mm,
to ask.
mm, mhm.
Same goes with the Tableau as well?
Which one? Updations you're
Uh,
talking about?
yes, same goes with the Tableau
No,
as
no.
well.
Tableau is not like that. Tableau does not releases every month updates. They don't release it.
Every year?
It's not every year. They will regularly. They will update them. See, regular updates are required. See, it is not a complete version change. It is going to be some kind of an updates are going to be there. Okay. So whenever the version changes completely, it is going to be version changes. Regularly, updates will be released. So we have to just update that particular patches and etc. We have to update them. So maybe as of my knowledge, officially it will release one new version every year. Which one? Every 1 year they will release this. But in between that particular 1 year, there will be some updates will be taking place. So we have to
Okay.
update those particular patches. Some extra bugs and all these things will be there, right? So automatically they will be requiring some kind of a patching and all these things that are going to be required regularly. And here it is officially for every 1 month, there is going to be an update is going to take place. There it is going to be, as of my knowledge, it is going to be, if you go for the Tableau, so I think it is going to be, the version will be like 2024, 2023, like that it is going to be there. Generally, we'll install Tableau public because it is a free software. So we have to go for the Tableau public. We have to go here now. Let me check it out. So Tableau public is going to be, it's an free. Which one we have to use it? Remaining, there are commercials. Remaining are going to be commercials, and some kind of students are there with the limited features they will be working. So it is going to be releases. I think we have to create an account. Okay, I think already have an account. Leave it for the timing. We have to create a account and all these things. You have to do that. Later we'll do that. But as of my knowledge, it is going to be every 1 year they will release as an official release. But in between that 1 year, there will be some updates also will be releases. Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
sir. Thank you.
So let me open my blank report once. And this is going to be, so see, there is going to be some changes, guys. Some changes also they have been taken. So earlier this option was not there, guys. This option was not there. So this is default mode, and this is going to be light mode. And if you want, we can make it dark mode also, guys. So this is Windows mode. That means whatever the Windows mode is using, the same Windows mode, it is also going to be used as, guys. So if you're interested, you can just change it to dark mode if you require. And there is going to be some kind of changes that has been got taken place. So see, my environment is going to be a dark mode. It is going to be changing. So don't worry if you want to change it back. We have a settings will be there. So go to the settings there, options page will be there. There we can change that particular dark modes and all these things. We can change that application here now. So like what is going to be, so the options are going to be, you can see there what is going to be the features and all these things. You will have the options here, guys. You can just go there and you can select that particular required options. Whatever you want, we can make the required changes. Whatever the changes you require, we can work on it. Okay. I think they have given the option there. We can check it out. Maximum there is going to be, the option is going to be there. So what are the features we are going to be having? So what type of this one, what we can do that. So all these options, some option here we have it. It's personalization. So dark view, it is going to be light view. If you want, I can go for the light view. Click on OK as usual. Okay. So this is the environment, guys. So this is your, what we can say that my Power BI desktop environment. So here it is going to be my working environment. All the work I'm going to do here only, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That is going to be about that. But it will take 1 or 2 days of time to make you understand that particular concept. Sorry, I just want to show you whether it was updated or not updated. Let me show you once, guys. Is the updation has been done or not done? Let me verify it once. Open a blank report. Go to the, here it is going to be help menu, guys. Go to the help menu. There we are having the about option is there. Do you remember previously it is showing it as an August update? It is showing you, guys. Now it is going to be showing you the September update and 2.136. Previously it is showing 2.132, but it is showing 2.136.1202, guys. Let me open the version. Download Power BI. So you can see the version, you can see very clearly 2.136.1202.0, 2.136.1202.0, same version, which is going to be September update, guys. Okay. So the latest version only, and not only today, every 1 month it will be just, we have to update. We have to update your Power BI software. We have to update it, guys. Okay. So this is going to be the environment, and this is going to be the look and feel appearance, guys. So we'll explain. First of all, initially I'll explain what are these, all these buttons, and what is all these options on the right hand side. And after that, we'll start with them, guys. Practically, we'll start with them. So first I have to make you understand the environment for 1 or 2 days of time. Then I will explain that implementation, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That is about this today's class about the installation procedure. So mainly what are the things we have discussed for the today's class, guys? So to work with Power BI, what are the different ways we have? One is Power BI desktop, where we can design the reports. Power BI mobile, where we can access the reports. Power BI service is where we can just deploy the whatever the reports which we have been designed, guys. Power BI service is a web-based, Power BI mobile is a mobile-based, and Power BI desktop is going to be desktop-based applications. So what you can do, you can create the reports. Here we can view the reports. Here we can manage the reports. Designing, managing, and viewing the reports, guys. That's it, guys. From end-to-end process, we can see Power BI desktop, design the reports. published into Power BI service. From there, using Power BI mobile, the user can access the whatever the reports they want to access in, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That is about the today's session here now. So just for today, I'll stop it here. So tomorrow, I'll first show you the explanation about the environment first of all, guys, and then we'll start with the implementation, guys. Right? So
Okay, sir.
anyone, guys, any questions? Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes. Yes.
So for Power BI, like what are the prerequisites and how it's gonna be useful for us going forward? Uh, Me as a ETL developer, how
Mhm.
it will be useful for me
Yes, yes.
if I
See,
learn this.
as I already, once you already, yesterday, I think you have already discussed regarding this, okay, already. So, just because we are at the very basic level, beginning level is there, no? So, right now, you cannot understand the implementation for that. So, just at least some applications we have to implement it. After that, you will understand that, you can understand that, but it is not with your perspective. See, you are from ETL, so if you are from ETL, you know what is ETL, so you know how to transform the data, how to load the data, how to extract the data. So as part of business intelligence, what we will do is you are doing an ETL process. So ETL is what about the ETL? So it is going to be completely extract, transformation, and loading. You are going to load the data. But whenever you want to analyze that particular data, whatever the data you have loaded or whatever the data you have been created, so obviously reporting is going to be gets required. So leave that. It does not matter what is ETL and all these things. You leave it for the timing. Just as of now, think only about a reporting purpose only. Forget about what is your prior expertise. That you can skip it for the timing. Later we'll see how to integrate your previous experience and whatever the new technology or new techniques what you have been got to learn about that. Okay. Right. Yes. Anyone, guys? Any more questions if you have? Anyone who joined for the today's class, if you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Right. Okay, then. So just for today, we'll stop it here, guys. And we'll continue in the tomorrow's class, guys. As already said that, no, guys, 1 or 2 days, guys, we'll stop with the demos. Already, we started the classes, guys. So who has already, some of you have already registered for the course. I've got the details. So remaining also, guys, if you want to go ahead with the course, please complete of your registration. Within 1 or 2 days of time, we'll change the link to the paid link, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class, guys. So just for today, I'll stop it here. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class, guys. Thanks all of you for today, guys.